Many peptide companies, they struggle when it comes to payment processing. And if you've ever had Stripe or PayPal, Square, or even like QuickBooks suddenly shut you down, you know how frustrating it can be. And the reality is, traditional processors often see peptides as high risk and leaving you stuck without a way to collect payments for your business. And you lose valuable sales during that time. That's where we come in. Our company has been able to secure payment processing specifically for peptide businesses who have been turned away elsewhere, have been shut down. And we've built relationship with processors who understand the industry so we can help you get back up and start accepting payments again. So, and as your business grows, you don't have that constant fear of being shut off. So, if you've been looking for a real solution to keep your peptide company moving forward, we've got the options you've been waiting for. So, give us a comment, and we're glad to reach out to you and see if we can help you.